Welcome to the second part of the FTC 7662 Dragons tutorial video in how to convert the battery, charger, and eventually the core power distribution module into a Anderson power pole connection, which is a much more solid and reliable connection and will withstand plugs and unplugs much longer than the original Tamiya connectors. So here's what you need. Of course, safety glasses first. You're going to need a battery that's already been converted, and I use this for example, but here we've converted, and you can see the preview for this. You could see the video for this in the last video. We also need a charger, and this video is going to show how to convert the charger into the power pole, Anderson power pole adapter, so that these are compatible. So a couple other things we need: simple wire cutters, Anderson power poles, the connectors, tri-crimp tool, a wire stripper, and possibly a small screwdriver to get the connectors into the power poles. Okay, so first let's just get rid of some of the excess cordage here. Don't need that. Next, what we want to do is cut off the old Tamiya connector, and we have a lot of cord here, so it doesn't matter how much you lose. Let's leave a little bit because we're going to create a adapter to plug into old batteries in case during competition we need to lend our charger to somebody. So we'll convert this into an adapter, much like you see here from the last video. Leave a little bit of leeway. We'll come back to that later. Now we need to separate this a little bit. Really important. Want to make sure that this is not plugged in. You never want to do this while it's plugged in. That would be really dangerous. So strip off some of the end. For the power pole connector. Just a little bit of that plastic sheath needs to come off, not too much. Go ahead and twist each one of these wires to gather the loose cords. And next we will crimp on the connectors for the Anderson power poles. Okay, the next step is to get the connectors onto the ends of the wires using the tri-crimp tool. A little trick I learned was to just give this a little bit of pressure first. It'll stay on as it's inserted into the crimping tool. Tri-crimps are open. Put it in. There we go. Nice strong connection. Tri-crimp. There we go. Two solid connections. The next thing we need to do is insert these connectors into the Anderson power pole receptacles. Okay. To get the correct color on the right side, we need to know that the wire that has the writing on it, hopefully you can see that, the writing that has the wire that has the writing on it is the red connector. So we need to take that side and place it into the red receptacle. Let's put a little pressure on it. Okay. Now, make sure the battery is lined up properly. You make sure the red is on the right side, and if you're in a case where you have red on the left, all you have to do is twist them in their places, and you have red on the right now. Slide these in. And we are good to go. Solid connection, and that'll make hundreds of thousands of connections over and over again. Never get jammed, get stuck. Always good. Thanks for watching.